So just days before the official unveiling, the unboxing video of the highly anticipated Google Pixel 8 has been leaked. This video not only offers a sneak peek inside the packaging, but also highlights the stunning design of this upcoming smartphone. The first thing that grabs your attention is the vibrant G logo atop the box, along with the model name and an enticing image of the device. Upon opening the box, the Google Pixel 8 takes center stage, showcasing its elegant design. Hidden neatly behind the phone, users will discover a USB Type-C cable and an OTG connector, providing versatile connectivity options. Furthermore, a compact user manual is included, ensuring users can fully maximize their new device. Now let's talk specifications. The Google Pixel 8 boasts an impressive 6.17-inch AMOLED screen that offers a vivid visual experience with its 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2400 by 1080. With 8 GB of internal memory and the powerful Tensor G3 processor, the Pixel 8 promises seamless performance for various tasks. You can choose between two generous storage options of 128 and 256 gigs, ensuring ample space for apps, photos, and more. When it comes to photography, the Pixel 8 certainly delivers. Its primary camera features a 50-megapixel Samsung GN2 sensor, guaranteeing stunning photos in various lighting conditions. On the front, a Samsung 11-megapixel selfie camera ensures crisp and clear self-portraits. Additionally, the Pixel 8 boasts an impressive 12-megapixel Sony IMX386 ultra-wide-angle sensor, adding versatility to your photography endeavors. In summary, the Google Pixel 8 unboxing video provides an enticing glimpse into what appears to be a remarkable smartphone. With its sleek design, impressive display, powerful internals, and capable camera system, the Pixel 8 is set to capture the attention of tech enthusiasts and smartphone users alike. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video.